Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Javed 427, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you what is visual programming. So let's start our video. So here should basically out system. So basically we see at the top of the screen, then you see it platform solutions, developer, while out system pricing. So basically different options are given here. So what is visual programming? Visual programming is an initiative way of creating software applications without writing code. It's a graphical representation of how different components interact, allow developers to create complex programs quickly and easily. Visual programming can be used for various tasks from web to mobile app development. The benefits are numerous. It reduces the amount of time needed to develop applications, simplifies debugging processes, encourages collaboration between teams, and allow developers to work in parallel on the same project. In this glossary article, we will discuss what visual programming is, its advantages and use cases, and some alternatives. So here's a graphical representation is also given in front of you. Example of modern visual programming in action. So here shared visual programming versus traditional programming. Visual development and traditional development are two different approaches to creating a software. Traditional development typically involves writing code in a text-based programming language like a C++, Java, or Python. This code-based app development approach requires the developer to have a strong understanding of the language and its syntax, as well as the concept of programming such as data structure and algorithm. Visual development, on the other hand, use visual elements such as diagrams and flowcharts to represent programming constructs. Visual programming environment typically have drag and drop interfaces. So here should basically, depending on the visual development tool and who it targets, it allows professional developers to accelerate their productivity or user with no programming background to create software. So here should basically visual programming and traditional programming sample is also in front of you. Overall, the main difference in the traditional development focuses on the actual coding and writing the code, while visual development focuses on the design and overall structure of the software. So here's it. What's the role of visual programming in the software industry? For a long time, visual programming has had the reputation of being teaching tool for beginners to get familiar with programming concepts and to create simple user interfaces and prototypes. The reason for that has to do with its background. Visual programming high peaked in the early 90s with case tool and is as with all trends ahead of their time. The repercussions of its failure were years of under investments, little innovation, and lingering skepticism. A unified modeling language, which is promise of bringing sanity to object oriented programming, has not helped either, although much of its fall were due to the underlying complexity related with inheritance. And even more recent trends like business process modeling probably did more harm than good is giving credibility to this area. So here said, case tool UML and BPM failed to deliver their promises. As software development become increasingly more complex with new frameworks, technologies, devices, and touchpoints to be considered, developers are ordinary people with extraordinary specializations. That complexity and specialization are badly suited to the pure visual programming of those early tools, but it also makes it increasingly hard to build a rounded software engineering teams. Yes, visual programming environments might have failed as they are not extensible. Generate slow code, provide a painful developer experience, are suitable for a limited number of simple use cases, but where they failed, a whole cache of similar tools took the best of visual programming and combined it with text based coding. Whereas visual programming was no code, these new tools are low code. So here's it, low code and visual programming. Low code technology lets developers create software visually by drawing interaction flow, UIS, and relationships between objects, but supplementing it with hand written code where that's the better thing to do. This pragmatic mix of visual and text-based programming is well suited to the needs of modern software development. So basically, this is all about the visual programming. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Technical Java 427 and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.